Hi ladies and gentlemen, my name is Alan and I am excited to bring you this video on how to get a C60 welding construction license in 7 easy steps. So that first step is experience. Well, of course you need 4 years of experience either working for a company or for yourself, but it does need to be full-time. And the state has a guide and they're going to test you on a variety of things. Things like planning and estimating or welding preparation. Things like welding, brazing, and soldering. So you need to know welding process, welding techniques, post-welding procedures, brazing and soldering, things like that. You also need to know cutting processes, and finally some safety things. We're going to walk you through that so you don't have to worry about that. In fact, that leads us to our second point, which is this: contractor school or online prep course. That's what we do. We have 3 options for you. Again, we're from the Contractor License School. That's who we are. And you can find our website at contractorlicensenow.com. And we have 3 options. One is our brick and mortar school, where you show up to class, you have a teacher, there's students, you ask questions, you hear other students, you can collaborate, and the teacher walks you through the process. The second option is our live stream option. That's where our school is broadcast live each week directly to your device, whatever you have internet with, and you can be a part of the class. In fact, during the Q&A time, you can ask the teacher questions, you can ask the students questions, you can hear everything going on. So it's like being in class, except 2 great things. 1, you get to be at the comfort of your own home, and number 2, you save money. The third option is this: it's our homeschool program or prep course. And basically, here's our materials, here's our audio, here's our video, here are our practice tests, both in your book and online. Do that, and when you're passing our test, then we're going to go ahead and reach out to you. We're going to help you fill out that application so that it's done right. In fact, that leads us to our third step, which is the application. We've heard that is quite difficult and challenging and can be quite daunting, but not for you. Why? Because we make it easy for you. We actually only want you to focus on 2 things: study our material, pass our test. Hey, we've been doing this for over a decade now. We know how to fill out the application. We know how to do that. We're going to walk you through that process and make sure that it is seamless and simple, okay? Once the application's done, we're going to send it off to the state. They're going to send a test date. You're going to show up at that state testing facility, and then you are going to pass the state exam, number 4. Now, each test, you're going to have 2 of them. You're going to have the law exam and the trade exam. Each one, you get 3.5 hours each, and there are 125 questions each. So you will be there all day, 7 hours of testing and 1 hour lunch for break. So plan on that entire day. Now, once you pass the state exam, we do offer a pass test guarantee. We're guaranteeing if you pass our exam, you're going to pass the state exam first try, or we pay for the next exam. But once that's done, you go get your surety bond. You could see us or go to an insurance agent. It's going to cost you about $100 for the year, and it's going to cover your client, protect them for $15,000. You do have to have this in order to get a license. And finally, you go get your live scan. So you do that either with us or you go to a sheriff's office, UPS store. They collect your digits, your data. They send it off to the Contractor State Licensing Board. That's beautiful, right? Because you don't have to worry about another form, another piece of paper to fold up, stamp, mail, and send off to the state. They do it for you. And finally, the number 7, which I believe is the single most important part of all these steps. I've run into a lot of dreamers in life, a lot of people who want to start businesses, a lot of people who say, you know what, one day if I ever have money, I'm going to patent this, or I'm going to start this business, or I'm going to do this. But dreamers don't make business owners and entrepreneurs. What does make business owners are people who can make it happen. And so that's what I want to encourage you to do. That first step to success is just that. It's that first step. And so what is that first step for you? It's getting into a school like ours and going through this process. We're going to walk you through from beginning to end, not only in getting your license, but helping you establish that business. Now, you can subscribe to our channel, and you can go down to our description and look and get some more valuable information, things like how to start a business video, which I want you to check out. You can also get some information on tax and bookkeeping, web design, corporation setup, internet marketing, insurance, and you can even request our brochure on some of this information by clicking on the link and filling out the form. So ladies and gentlemen, my name is Alan with the Contractor License School, and this has been a video tutorial on how to get a C60 welding construction license in 7 easy steps. We'll see you soon.